between soaps and detergents, although they do the same thing, that is cleaning, they are mighty different from each other. Let's see, soaps and detergents. The soap is a sodium salt or a potassium salt of a long chain carboxylic acid. So basically it is something like this, where the COONA is the end point. So C17H35 is the long hydrocarbon chain and the COONA is the ionic end. And now why is that important? The reason why that is important is clearly that hydrocarbon chain is organic in nature. So when that is organic in nature, it is not going to be soluble in water. And the COONA is important because that is soluble in water. So just by being insoluble and soluble, they do your cleaning. Let's see how. A detergent is a sodium salt of a long chain benzene sulfonic acid. Now basically what is happening is the COONA is being substituted by C6H4SO4Na. But again the same thing, there is an ionic end which contains SO4Na and a long hydrocarbon chain containing C12H35 C6H4, that is a long hydrocarbon containing a benzene chain. Now why is this important? The reason is they work differently in different compounds. So soaps and detergents in hard water and soft water. Soaps in soft water lather easily. That is why we can cleanse ourselves very easily. Hard water does not lather easily. Detergents on the other hand, soft water lathers easily, no doubt, but even in the hard water, it lathers easily. Now when it lathers easily, what happens is there is no scum formed in soap. But when it reacts with hard water, reaction with calcium ions and magnesium ions to form insoluble precipitate called scum. So a lot of scum is deposited when soaps are used in hard water, meaning the cleansing action is not done properly. But when detergents are used in soft water, no scum is formed. Also, no scum is formed in hard water. So let's see with the help of this experiment. Two samples of hard water are taken, very simple. Hard water sample A, hard water sample B. What we are going to do is soap, we are going to use sample X and detergent for sample Y. You clearly saw by sample Y, using a detergent, easily there is a lot of lather. But in sample X, there is a lot less lather, plus a lot of scum is formed, which is not like lather. There are no bubbles in it. So lather forms in Y, but not in X. The reason is detergent forms lather even with hard water, while ordinary soap is wasted due to the formation of scum. So this is the difference between soap and detergent. Soap is just a sodium or potassium salt of organic fatty acid. It reacts with hard water forming scum, hence ordinary soap is wasted. But detergent do not react. They are sodium salts of alkyl sulfonic acid group instead of carboxylic group. So because of that sulfonic benzene group, they do not react with the hard water, hence a lot of foam is formed. Why is that foam important? Because it cleans you. Difference between soaps and detergents. Soaps are biodegradable, detergents are non-biodegradable. Not suitable for washing in hard water, but this is suitable for washing in hard water. Relatively weak cleansing action, but strong cleansing action. Soaps and detergents, what are micelles? So I told you, soap molecule is of two types. Hydrophilic end, that is the ionic end, is the hydrophilic end. Hydrophilic, philic means love, water loving end. Whereas the end, hydrophobic end or the hydrocarbon end does not want water. So what happens is this happens. When an oil droplet or anything which is organic is found, the ions go away from it inside water. They do not like the organic stuff. But the hydrophobic end, water phobic end enters this oil droplet, and this covers the oil droplet with a lot of ionic stuff, making a micelle. Now, effect of soap in cleansing: when there is grease or dirt on a cloth, all the hydrophobic end enter the oil or the grease or the dirt. In cleansing, the hydrocarbon tail attaches itself to the oily, dirty, and tend to lift off from the dirty clothes. So what happens? The tails remove it from the dirty clothes. This gives an opportunity to other tails stick to oil, and thus a micelle is formed. The solution now contains small globules of oil surrounded by detergent molecules. The negatively charged heads present in water prevent the small globules from coming together and form aggregates. So micelles are independent in water everywhere. Thus, a cleansing process takes place. This is how you, me, and everyone in this world is cleansed after having a good bath. Well, time for me to say goodbye. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned.